My name is Nikesh Giri. This is the coursework of Exploit Development coursework 2. So the coursework contain a file that a function like login function, OTP function. So the login function, it asks us for authentication and we can easily bypass it from the hardcore credential that is present in the code, and we have also found it in the coursework file. Another function is OTP verification. It is asked for a random section, debut random 1324 function, build a socket connection and display the messages. Without wasting of time, I am going to show you the exploitation. This is the 24-bit executable file. After this, while using the check file, we can see the canary is used to prevent buffer overflow protection. Here we also can see the hash file. So let's go to Python file. Initially, the code is just establish a connection with local server at 1317 to bypass the secret protection and the stack canary. At first, we have looped the program address and the program stack and present at 29 index. So we printed it in the email function. String formatted vulnerability was present there. So similarly, we find the program address leak and the libc address leak. So if we have to talk about the OTP verification, we did basically do was we found that the index address that store OTP that we enter. So after finding that, we found index and we enter it from the pawn tools because we cannot enter it directly on OTP sections. We found out bash 32 by decoding the variables, and the software password is used there. By finding out the libc offset, we go to the libc base address. We found the program offset. To bypass the canary, what we do was we found out using side dot. It check the it recheck the canary to at 217 index, and it right up to 216, and it check up to 217. So we leave the canary address that we found soon in documentation. We give the real canary address after the 216 index. When it check the canary address, it confirm. And then it redirect us to the uh, leap address bin/ss to get the program. So let's check it in the Docker by remotely. Here, let me build it. Let's copy this code and paste in the terminal. Let me go to the downloads. In downloads, let me go to the coursework Docker and let's listen the port. Let's run the exploit code in the next terminal. Here I will type the exploit.py. As we can see, the code run remotely as well. So let's check it. Let's type ls wd id